What's up everyone, my name is Andrew Cho. Today, it's a pretty different video. We're doing a bike check of my Totem 3900 that I use in my local trails. Go check out my local trails on my YouTube channel. It will be in the description down below. It's a pretty sick video. Spent lots of time on it with my friends. So yeah, let's get started. Okay everyone, we're going to start with the frame. Okay, this frame is a Totem 3900 frame, medium sized, and material is alloy. We're going to start with the wheels. These are 27.5 wheels, Totem rims. But I have no clue what these wheels are. Okay, but at the back we have Shimano rims, Shimano aluminum rim, and this is Maxxis tire. And for the brakes, I use Shimano hydraulic brakes. So yeah, they're pretty sick. They do help me stop when I do need to. And my handlebars. This is actually made out of carbon, made by Specialized. It's pretty sick. Thank you to Specialized for giving it to me. And suspension, yes, 100 millimeters of travel front. Yeah, pretty nice. Okay everyone, this is dual sealed bearing pedal, black. This is I recommend people should get this grip or pedals or whatever you want to call them. They're pretty sick. Helps me jump around on my bike, kind of, yeah. And for my seat, as you can tell, I do not have a seat right now. Well, I'm not planning to, as it just helps me like have more room to hop, jump, just do mad tricks on my bike. But yeah, so let's say like this one now. And yeah, let's start with the gears. My gears are 3 by 10, so 10 at the back, 3 at the front. The derailleur is Shimano derailleur. No idea what that is, but in simple terms, let's just call it Shimano derailleur. And yeah, as you all know, clearly this bike there's some parts on it that are customized. Okay, not all of it. So the Specialized handlebars, the rim, the tire, and the pedals. And yeah, let's get to riding and show you guys my amazing bike.